Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Amazing Facts. Science is a way of thinking, and the nature is the best teacher. The birds, the animals, the trees and plants, everything in this nature teaches us a lesson, and each has some hidden amazing facts. Today, in this video, let's explore 4 such wonders of nature. So first one is, why does a touch-me-not plant close? So now let's see the reason behind this. This plant is called Mimosa pudica plant. Other name for it is touch-me-not plant. When anyone touches this plant, it closes its leaves with the help of pulvini. The pulvini is present at the base of each leaflet and they consist of stem cells filled with water. This water applies pressure against the walls of the cells. This pressure is called turgor pressure. It helps the leaves and stem to stand upright. Now, when we touch the leaflet of the touch-me-not plant, specific parts of the plant release certain chemicals. These chemicals cause the cells in the pulvini to lose water. When the water is lost, there is no more turgor pressure. Thus results in cell collapse and closing of leaflets. So children, the lesson which we have learnt from this touch-me-not plant is to close our ears to negative thoughts. So now let's move on to second wonders of nature. That is, why do ants go in a straight line? Now let's see the reason behind it. As worker ants leave the colony to find food, they leave behind a chemical scent called pheromones along the path. Each colony has a unique smell of pheromones. The smell of pheromones help other ants to reach the specific target, that is, to reach the food. The pheromones are easily evaporated, so each and every ant leave pheromones along the path while carrying the food. When they follow the smell, they tend to walk in the straight path. So children, from ants, we can learn about hard work and teamwork. So now let's move on to the third nature's wonder. Why do chameleons change their colors? So now let's see the reason behind it. Firstly, chameleons can't generate their own body heat. Changing the color of their skin is a way to maintain a favorable body temperature and to express their mood to other chameleons. The skin of chameleons has various colored pigments such as yellow and red. Below the pigments, there are nanocrystals of various size and shapes. The spacing between these nanocrystals are primarily responsible for this color change. When the chameleons are relaxed, the nanocrystals are close to each other. In this case, when the light composed of various colors falls on the crystals, they reflect colors like blue and indigo. This blue color along with the yellow color reflected by the pigments make chameleons to appear green. However, when the chameleons are excited, spacings between the nanocrystals increases. In such case, they reflect colors such as red, orange and indigo. The red color combined with yellow color reflected by the pigment make the chameleon to appear orange. So children, chameleons adapt to the changes surrounding them. Similarly, we need to adapt to the changing environment. Now let's move on to the fourth wonder of nature, that is, why do fireflies glow? Now let's see the reason behind it. Fireflies glow because they produce light by a biochemical reaction. In the lower abdomen of fireflies, there is a chemical called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. When oxygen enters through the tracheal tubes into the lower abdomen, it reacts with luciferin in the presence of luciferase. This reaction produces light. This production and emission of light by a living organism is called bioluminescence. So bioluminescence is a cold light, which means light produced generates very less heat and preventing the firefly's abdomen from overheated. One interesting fact is that not only an adult fireflies but also its egg and larvae are bioluminescent. So children, fireflies shines bright in dark. Similarly, we have to glow in our hardships. So I hope you are benefited with this information. So children, the more you learn, the more you grow. So keep learning, keep growing and keep moving. If you keep the consistency, success will knock on your door. And also keep exploring our nature to find out its hidden amazing facts. Thank you.